Handy Andy, back with another unboxing. This time we're looking at the Venom Go. This is a heat and vibration wearable. If you got sore muscles, you're going to want to check this out. It's going to relieve the tension and discomfort anywhere. So let's go ahead and begin this unboxing. And there is one part of the device. And it's, oh nice, finally I find something that charges USB-C. And so many micro USB. Well, here you adjust the temperature, and here's the power button. So let's see what else. There are pads as well that are going to stick to your body. So let me take that out, take this, and let's see what's in here. First, let's get started with this sheet. Looks like it's in different languages. Looks like stickers and a bigger manual. Wow, that's a lot. What's inside here? Looks like a cable. Let me open it up. And yep, it's a USB-C cable, which is nice to have. Put that over aside. And here are the actual pads. So these you can reuse multiple times, but not forever ever. And then they would fit right on there. So this is going to be a very fun review for me to check out because I exercise a lot. I don't rest enough, so I'm always sore. I'm actually super sore right now. I took a day off because I couldn't move. But there you go. There's the unboxing of the Venom Go from Hyperice. And I am going to hook this up and try it out and see if it actually relieves muscle tension. And I promise you, I will give you an unbiased review of that because I'm always sore. Anyways, folks, that's it for this review. If you liked it, please like, smash, leave your comments below if you've ever tried this, and be sure to watch the full review of this. Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out.